Part of the value, so does the victory. Good afternoon, everyone present out here. Today, I, Chettri, representing Ruby House, and I'm here to recite my poem. The title of my poem is All the World a Stage by William Shakespeare. All the world a stage, and all the men and women made players. They have their entrance and their exits. And one man in his time plays many parts. He acts in 7 ages. At first, the infant, mewling and puking in the nurse's arm, and then a whining schoolboy with a statue, and shining morning phrase, creeping like snail, unwilling to school go. Then a soldier full of strange oaths, bearded like a part, sudden in honor, sudden and quick in quarrel. Then the judge in a fair round belly, with a good capelline, with eyes severe and beard with a formal cut, full of wide and modern instances, and so he plays his part. The last scene that ends this strange, eventful history in second childlessness. Sense teeth, sense eye, sense taste, sense everything. Thank you.